Namaskar, this is Sanatan. Today we will discuss about the training. How many types of training is there, and what is the importance of training, the duration of training, all those things for a hotelier or a hotel management student, how much important, all those things we will discuss. Basically, we will know in this video how many types of the training is there basically. So I already written in the board, so you can see here, just I will show. Here I already written that CT, VT, IT, JT, OJT, HOT, MT. So I will tell one by one all those things in this video. First of all, we will discuss about that CT or ODC. What is CT? CT means it's a casual training, or casual training means when the students are doing their course or when they are studying. In that time or in this period, they can go to the hotel and they can see the work for a particular time, for 5 hours, 6 hours, like that, or for that they can get some money. And it's generally for the lower level, or they can see the what is the basic things for a hotel management student, or what is the work for a hotel management student, they can see there. And we can say that also, that ODC mean outdoor catering. Outdoor catering means sometimes that student are going to the particular hotel for some busy time. They are going from the their college, and they are just helping to the hotel staff, the particular 5-star 4-star hotel staff. It's basically out of the hotel, some that function should be arranging, and they are attending this, and they are helping to the that FMP guys. Basically it's a marriage function, anniversary function, various types of functions would be there, and these all things will be happening there, and they are helping. For that also they can get the some money. And for this also, it's a duration only 1 day or hardly 2 day. This is the first CT or BT. They CT or sorry, ODC. CT means casual training or outdoor catering. Then we can come to the second, VT. What is VT? VT means vocational type, vocational training. What is vocational training? Now, it is a training which is taking around 15 days, and it's generally happen when the student get that vacation time from the college. That time they can come, and it's taking hardly 15 days to 20 days. And in this period they are just learning something about a particular session, and it's also some stipend that they are paying. Then we can come to the IT. IT means it is industrial training, and industrial training it's happen when the student should be, or the hotelier means who are pursuing the hotel management course, they should be minimum across do the class around 2 years, means fourth semester minimum. Then they can come for the IT training, and in IT training they have the 4 months to 6 months duration. And in IT, in industrial training, in this period they are visiting, or they are working for 1 month or 15 days, 1 week, like that. All the departments one by one, which all mother department and sub departments are there, they can just working and gaining the knowledge from the all the department. This is the things. And then after 6 months they can come back to their college from some knowledge gaining, and they come back. Then after that, one more training is there, OJT. It's generally around 1 month time period, basically. Sorry, not 1 month, it's my mistake, it's a 1 year training period, and it's come after the IT training. And OJT means it's a particular department. Suppose one person want to work in production, then he should be work in production. On the job training means he will do the job as a trainee, and from there he can learn, or she can learn the knowledge. And it's generally 1 year to 1 year 18 months, like that duration is there. And that time also he can, or she can get some stipend. The stipend should be more than IT student or IT training. Then after OJT, the people can come for the HOT. HOT means Hotel operation training. Hotel operation training means it's a training very important, and here the training should be uh, like executive level or like supervision level, like that training is there, how they can handle the situation, and what is the budget, and how to the time management, that cost control, all those things they are learning from here. And it's like a supervisor or training executive level training. And this is was at HOT is generally 2 years duration. And after that we can come to the next at last, MT means it's a management training or management training, we can say. It's a very tough training, we can say. Not tough, but it's a very getting very rare student, because it's after that training they can generally get the job as a manager or assistant manager, like that. So that training session generally it will take 2 years basically. And in 2 years they will learn about the management system, and like a manager what doing these all things that he or she will learn. All those the training session is there basically. And for the management training, people can go directly. The management training have the system, they are coming, or basically the company will come, the brand hotel will come to the particular campus, and they will take the campusing or interview, then they will select. There are so many process. When I will go to the next video about the interview session, that time I will discuss all those things. This is that 5-6 types of training is basically it is there in the hotel industry or hotel field or hotelier student. So I already discussed the hotel, so I can tell that designation also the CT or ODC means they are basically lower level, means entry level. Then VT also entry level, they are not getting any chance for a particular staff. After IT, some people can get the job for if for FTC means fixed time contracts, virtual or training GSA. Then OJT. After OJT, the students can get the job in a 5-star or 4-star hotel. Then they for if after that the people or the students can do their training for career graph to grow, or they can take the training, or they can do the training for their best career. These all the training session basically I discuss in very shortly. So I hope you like this video, and share my video and comment it if any doubt is there. And if you feel anything more need to add, then you can comment it here. Thank you.